here we go. Day 3. Let's see how this day goes. We should be a quick limit. We know where they're at, we know what they're doing, so hopefully it's good. Alright, well, it's pretty empty right now. Had 2 hits so far, just little guys. Sun's coming up soon, so hopefully that'll get them a little bit more active. As of right now, it's not really much is happening. Alright, we got the first one of the morning. Took a little bit. Little guy. Take it though, I guess. Here's number 1. Hopefully I can find some striper going up. Ooh, they're cold. Okay, we should be getting hit pretty soon. Maybe. Yeah, they're up here in the water. The water's on. Not really hanging out down there. Maybe we'll just keep trolling this one around. I do want the bigger fish. Barely had them. Okay, thank you, buddy. Alright, can I run into any striper here? That's probably a bass. He came up out of nowhere. Just kidding. Works. Seems like they're not directly in the current. Get that back. Easy peasy. I'm not getting very far before I get a bite though. Better. Alright, cool. Okay, let's do that again. Just throwing it behind me. That was fast. Holy crap, there's a lot right here. Not too long. Dude. double up. I knew that felt funny. Cool. Yeah, they're just they just don't care about the single stuff. I think it's the flash that's. But then again, I was throwing spoons yesterday. They didn't want that crap either. Still the other umbrella. All right. No takers. It's gonna suck if I'm only able to catch him on the troll. There we go. Oh, hey, that's what's over there. And he got mangled up. Oh my God. So there's catfish stacked up on the right. I thought it was white bass, but it's not. Oof, get out of here. Jesus. Slammed up my rig and everything, bent it all and everything. I hate these things. Just short strikes. I'm gonna get swinging with this rod. Let a couple go, I think. Yeah. Shad. This guy's pretty mangled up. Not over here. That's funny. Easy. I don't know where the stripers are. Little guy, let you go. One of the big ones. See ya. I finally get one. Take a break. What is this? This better not be another catfish, man. Striper, nice. There we go. I couldn't get my dang GoPro to record. Whew. Nice one. Ow, ow, ow. First striper today. Finally, man. I seen them running around all day, but they didn't want to play. I decided to play when I put my rod down. Works though. Alright, I think it's probably time to turn around here. Just cause it's gonna be a lot of work to get up this current. So they got the turbine on the left on and the one in the middle on. So it's gonna be a lot of work. And there's a white bass down there too. I'm gonna need 3 more to limit out. But yeah, I'll do that. I'll go ahead and start searching for striper. Hopefully I don't get ripped off here. Seeing a lot of big ones running around, but they're pretty smart today. They're not really wanting to bite. They're looking. Not really biting. Alright, let's go ahead and run down this and then cut to that side. It's usually where I get real big hits. And probably call it out. Call it a day here in a little bit, maybe. It's only 9:30. Alright, that pretty much does it for today. Quick session. I guess I'll just fish for fun, just depending on how the wind ends up. I'm just supposed to get like up to like 20 miles. It's not as bad as yesterday, but yesterday it was dead calm up until 11 o'clock when we turned around. Today is supposed to get up to 20. Yesterday was like 36 or something, man. It was blowing bad. But we made it back, so it's all good. I think now we're just gonna fish for fun, maybe. I got another one on. Figured I was gonna live it out. I was like, pretty much done now. We're just gonna take the time to count my fish, and we're gonna just play around for a little bit. Alright. Just gonna settle up somewhere and start counting fish.